Hi, my name is Janica. I'm a marketing intern here at EarthWay, and today I'm going to be unboxing the 2750. Now the packaging is real cute, real attractive, and all you're going to get in that box is the spreader itself, in addition to one or two other things inside the bag. When you open up the bag, you're going to find two stands, which I will show you how to install, and the handle. Now with the stand, you're going to go ahead and flip your bag kind of open. You're going to locate the screw. You're going to take a screwdriver and you're going to unscrew it. Next, you'll want to take your tab. You'll kind of want to give it a little bit of a flex to it. And in addition, you're going to want to take that little tab right there and bend it. Next, you'll insert it into that little slot. Take your screw and put your screw over that tab. Go ahead and take your screwdriver again and just screw that thing in. Thanks so much for watching. Contact us down below in the comments or go to earthway.com for additional support. Thanks for watching.